Hi, this is Lisa Danford from Hamilton County DD Services, and for us, going through the Blacksmith entry process has really helped improve the quality of our work in the past few years. It helps us make sure we have solid planning and strategy in place. And when we do win, it's always exciting, but it's also another way for us to show our leadership the value of communications and marketing. Public relations can sometimes be chaotic, so winning an award is a great opportunity to step back, reflect, and celebrate your accomplishments. We hope you enter this year.